Hello, so I got a new toy, but to have fun. Chefselect Flavor Injector. Let's see what this looks like. This looks like a regular, looks almost like a needle type injector for instilling flavors and stuff into food. Comes in a nice little box. Now, if I can do this without breaking what little nails I do have. Okay, so you have what looks like a syringe of some sort. Ooh, wow, that really is tight. And you have two types of needles. This will probably be big for like big birds or big game that you want to inject flavor into. And this looks more like for smaller items that you may want to inject. Maybe a small piece of chicken breast or something of that nature. And it comes with some instructions. Flavor injector, clean procedure, needle, screw clean up, replace after being clean, unscrew knob, and oh, actually, it says this whole thing could be disassembled. So if you need to clean the whole thing comes apart. Huh. Now isn't that, because you know when you get into some of them deep flavors, it gets all over the place. Let's see what other instructions this has. Prepare your flavor, set the needle 3 to 4 inches and push the plum, blah, blah, blah. Turkey, gives you a few recipes for turkey and beef. But you know me, I don't follow nobody's rules. I have a couple ideas what I'm going to use this on, which I think may be interesting. And one is burning me up inside right now. So this looks like a usable product. If I can figure out how to lock it back in place. Oh, I see it screws back in. I see it screws back in place. Okay, so it's threaded. This piece is threaded, and so you kind of got to get it in there right. And this is really something else. This might be more than what I need, but I'm going to clean this because with all stuff you buy, always clean it before using it. And I got an idea on something I'm going to use. Actually, I got several ideas. So you should be seeing a video that follows this fairly quickly. The flavor injector seems to be simple enough to work. It became a little easier to open and close once I took it apart. Initially, it was really hard to compress, but now it's kind of loosened up. So this might work for the holidays, but for me, who knows what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna go buck wild. So next time, family, stay healthy, eat smart. See you later.